So yeah, what's your name and where are you from?
Good morning, I am Nishchal from Excel Public School, Mysuru. I am studying in class 5.
Okay, what's your model about?
So this is called as a rubber band powered car which uses stored energy or potential energy which then gets converted into kinetic energy. So here in this plastic bottle I made two holes over here and in the back for the wheel and axle to go, and a place for myself to work, and two holes on the bottle cap. So I've inserted two cardboard wheels in the front and the back.
How do you move this?
Huh?
How would you move this?
So I've inserted a screw over here through the straw. So when I take this rubber band and place it into the screw, it stays firm in place. So when I start winding the rubber bands, the energy gets stored as potential energy. The more I wind this up, the more energy gets stored. So when I let this go, it gets converted into kinetic energy and moves forward. So this surface has grip which lets it move forward. So if I add a rubber band over here on the wheel, it will make it move much better. But if I keep it on a tile or a marble, it's gonna slip off and it won't let it move forward. Thank you.
Thank you.